Why hypnotherapy? Well, it's a wonderful way to work with the power of the subconscious mind. We have two sides to our mind, the conscious and the subconscious. And the subconscious is, they reckon, 95% of the power of our mind. So if you think about the reasons why we do what we do, it's going to be down in the subconscious. So no amount of talking therapies are going to reach that part of our mind or help us to make the changes. How does hypnotherapy work? Well, there's a true science behind this. And actually, we can all be hypnotised. We all go into the hypnotic state numerous times of the day, in fact, numerous times in the hour. We all lose attention or daydream. That means your brainwaves have slowed down into what we call the alpha state. This is when we're highly suggestible and we are, in fact, in the hypnotic state. So we utilise this in therapy to relax the mind so that we can access the subconscious to make some very powerful changes to your beliefs, your patterns and your habits. So I'm an advanced clinical hypnotherapist. I also train other people through my training college to become hypnotherapists. I've worked with thousands of clients over the years and I've now developed my own specialist technique, which I call rapid subconscious resetting. It's where we can access the subconscious very quickly. It's not about being in hypnosis for a long period of time. In fact, 15 minutes is more than enough to achieve amazing results. What I've recognised over the years is that we don't need to use the old traditional methods so much of hypnosis where we're going back in time and searching for the reasons or the negative beliefs and bringing them up into the future and then reorientating them. What we've learnt now is that the subconscious is really in the now and future paced. It only knows reality now and what we give it. So we are going into the mind and creating those mind movies of how someone wants to be, what they want to manifest in their life and how they really want to feel. And once we start to play with this, then this begins to happen as the brain is firing and wiring new neural pathways. And it's a rapid, fast subconscious reset. And that's what makes my work and my practice in hypnotherapy unique and different. People often ask me, Louise, how many sessions will I need? How will this work? And I'm always delighted to tell them that they don't need years of therapy, that actually, even if you've had these problems a lifetime, anywhere between 2 and 8 to 10 sessions can really completely change your life. And I mean completely change your life. I'm always guided by my clients and we consult between each session to see whether we are getting there or not. People ask me often, what can hypnotherapy achieve? And I have many, many stories I can tell, but I can always remember the lady that came to me desperate because she'd been housebound for nearly 20 years, agoraphobic, with acute anxiety. She wasn't able to visit family or friends, just do simple tasks like going and enjoying shopping for herself. So we did up to 8 hypnotherapy sessions, and each time she was getting better and better, and we were pleased to say that eventually she was able to lead a normal life, going out and about, visiting people, and so happy. She never believed that she could overcome this. I can remember working with a lady that had been through years of trying desperately to lose weight. She was really beginning to struggle with her health. She wasn't able to go and do normal activities with her family. And so through trying every diet imaginable, having gastric band therapy and failing through all of them, she came to me and we did hypnosis. And by session 5, 1 a week, she'd already lost 1.5 stone, and I'm really pleased to say now that she's a normal healthy weight and really enjoying her life. And I guess the most amazing story for me was the gentleman that had lost his leg in a traumatic accident from below the knee 30 years prior to seeing me, and he'd had what we call phantom pain. His mind thought that his leg was still there and he was in chronic pain every day, depressed and unable to sleep. He asked me, Louise, can you help me? And I didn't really know, but I said, if this is in the subconscious, we can do this. By the second session, he was amazed that the pain had significantly decreased. And by the fourth or fifth session, he was sleeping through the night and he was really on top of the pain. He'd lost a lot of the medications that ironically he was taking. By 10 sessions, this gentleman had no more pain, sleeping through the night, and was certainly not depressed anymore. So to sum it all up, if you're considering making some changes in your life, hypnotherapy is very fast, effective, and extremely powerful.